Squarespace is great for all levels of businesses. And what's great about Squarespace is it can take you all the way from a startup to wherever you want to go, and it has a plan for each and every stage. So if you're on a personal plan, which is the lowest plan that Squarespace offer, and you want to then upgrade and build out your website, you can do that. You can upgrade super quick, super easy, and then you can continue to build out your website. And also, if you go from informational only website to an e-commerce website, you can do that too. It's got everything. So this is how you do it. To upgrade your plan, all you need to do is go into here. So settings, and then you want to find billing. So that's under account. And then you've got subscriptions. So you click subscriptions, and then you've got active and trial. So if your site is still in trial, it's going to be under here. Just click website, and then you can upgrade. That's going to take you to here. So you got all your pricing options. You can view it in USD. You've got all your pricing options here. And then it's the exact same. If we go back into subscriptions, it's the exact same for active. So you'll see active, you'll see this. It will tell you, okay, you are in a personal plan, for instance. Click on that. Click upgrade. It's the exact same. So let's say you're on a personal and you want to move to a business because you want all the extra benefits that a business plan gets you. You just hit select, and then you can either pay annual or pay monthly. And let's just say you're on a personal plan. Squarespace will take off the remainder of what you have left on that plan. Let's say, you've got $40 worth of plan left. They'll take the $40 off the new subscription price. So you'll click pay annual or pay monthly. You get a nice big juicy discount for going annual. Confirm selection, plug in your billing address. Next, you'll plug in your payment info, and then you just click save, and then it's done. It's as simple as that. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, then you can get in touch using the links in the description.